Isoko wadzo everywhere white we was saziezi. Maybe me no jome wolo no mine. I have some questions here I want to ask us, and I want you to give me the isoko meaning in the comment section. It is time for us to learn and understand our language. Don't worry, I will come back with the answers, but not now. I want to see if you know them. Yes. So number one, beads. How do we call beads in Isoko? Number two, the types of beads. You know we have different type of beads. How many do you know? What's their name? In Isoko language. Then necklace. What is necklace in Isoko? Number four, eyeglass. What is eyeglass in Isoko? How do we call it in Isoko? Earring. What is earring called in Isoko? The ring. How do we call ring in Isoko? Then handkerchief. How do we call it in Isoko? The crown. How is it called in Isoko language? Then perfume. How do we call perfume in Isoko language? Then hand bangle. Bangle. How do we call it in Isoko? These are just 10 questions. Just 10. 10. Only 10. I told us before that this season I'm going to be bringing out things and meaning about wears. So, and this is how I want to roll it. I'll first of all come with the English, then you give me the meaning in Isoko before I will come back and give you the full answer. I just want to know if you, as an Isoko person, as an Isoko man, as an Isoko lady, you know these things. Try to learn your children. Learn yourself. In case you went to somewhere you were asked, try to pass the exam. So I'm waiting for you. Maybe here a while. Let's see the professors. Abi, the professors they call them. We have in Isoko land. Thank you. Isoko Wadu. I remain of Lefle Mountain, one of Isoko nation. Ogenegalo might will be Isoko to the world.